to the 24 Hours of Le Mans Museum, where we dive into the heart-pounding world of endurance racing. Step back in time as we explore the origins of the Le Mans 24 Hours and the incredible moments that have defined this legendary race. Welcome to the Hall of Fame at the Le Mans 24 Hours Museum, where racing history comes to life. Entry into the Hall of Fame is reserved for individuals and entities whose achievements have had a profound impact on the Le Mans 24 Hours. This includes drivers who have achieved multiple victories, set records, or demonstrated exceptional skill and sportsmanship on the track, as well as teams and manufacturers who have enjoyed sustained success and innovation in endurance racing. The Le Mans 24 Hours Museum boasts an impressive collection of small-scale model cars, each representing a significant vehicle that has raced in the legendary endurance event. Here's a glimpse into this fascinating collection. Each miniature car is meticulously crafted with an incredible attention to detail, capturing the essence of its real-life counterpart. From the iconic liveries to the intricate aerodynamic features, these miniature replicas showcase the craftsmanship and artistry of model car designers. The collection serves as an educational resource, allowing visitors to learn about the different cars, teams, and drivers that have participated in the Le Mans 24 Hours over the years. Each model is accompanied by information about the race it competed in, the drivers who piloted it, and any notable achievements or historical significance associated with the car. The Le Mans 24 Hours is one of the most prestigious and iconic endurance races in the world. It's held annually near the town of Le Mans, France, usually in June. The race features a unique format where cars compete for a full 24 hours around the Circuit de la Sarthe, a circuit that combines closed public roads with a dedicated racing track. The event dates back to 1923, when the first race was organized by the Automobile Club de Louis. The original purpose was to test both the durability of cars and the endurance of drivers. Over the years, the Le Mans 24 Hours has evolved into a showcase of automotive technology, innovation, and human skill. Cars competing in the race are divided into different classes based on factors like engine type, power, and technology. The top class, known as LMP1, Le Mans Prototype 1, features purpose-built racing prototypes with advanced hybrid powertrains. Other classes include LMP2, GT Grand Touring, and GTE Grand Touring Endurance, each with its own regulations and specifications. The race itself is a grueling test for both drivers and machines. Endurance racing requires not only speed, but also reliability, as cars must endure constant stress over the full 24-hour period. Teams often have multiple drivers who take turns behind the wheel, allowing for rest periods during the race. One of the defining features of Le Mans is the Le Mans start, where drivers must run across the track to their cars, start them, and then begin the race. While this tradition has largely been replaced with a rolling start for safety reasons, it remains an iconic aspect of the event's history. Winning the Le Mans 24 Hours is considered a significant achievement in motorsport, with teams and manufacturers competing fiercely for victory. The race has seen legendary moments, fierce rivalries, and tragic accidents, all contributing to its status as one of the most celebrated events in motorsport. One of the main attractions of the museum is its impressive display of race cars that have competed in the Le Mans 24 Hours throughout the years. The Le Mans 24 Hours is the world's oldest active sports car endurance race, first held in 1923. It has been held annually since then, except for interruptions during World War II. Winning the Le Mans 24 Hours is one of the three events that make up the Triple Crown of motorsport, along with the Monaco Grand Prix and the Indianapolis 500. Graham Hill is the only driver to have achieved the Triple Crown of motorsport. The Le Mans 24 Hours has seen some remarkable feats of speed over the years. The current lap record for the circuit is held by Kamui Kobayashi, who set a blistering time of 3:14.791 in 2021. The race has long been a hotbed of automotive innovation, with manufacturers using it as a testing ground for new technologies. Innovations such as disc brakes, aerodynamic designs, and hybrid powertrains have all been pioneered at Le Mans. The Le Mans race circuit, officially known as the Circuit de la Sarthe, is a world-renowned racing circuit. The Circuit de la Sarthe is a semi-permanent racing circuit that combines sections of dedicated racetrack with public roads. The track layout has undergone several modifications over the years, but has retained its distinctive characteristics, including long straights, challenging chicanes, and tight corners. The full Circuit de la Sarthe is approximately 13.626 kilometers, 8.467 miles long, making it one of the longest circuits used in motorsport. Its length presents a unique challenge for drivers and teams, requiring a balance of speed, endurance, and technical skill. One of the most famous features of the Circuit de la Sarthe is the Mulsanne Straight. This long straight section allows cars to reach incredibly high speeds, with top speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour, 186 miles per hour for the fastest prototypes. Thanks for joining us on this journey through the Le Mans 24 Hours Museum. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more adventures.